On the off chance that you are attempting to upgrade your life, however much as could be expected, and simply don't have the foggiest idea how to make it happen, I could have a solution for you. This isn't tied in with attempting another way of life or personal growth framework you need to follow consistently. It is tied in with looking for genuine outcomes that permit us to feel and find success. In any case, achievement if abstract, you characterize it and follow anything you feel that is to you. You can't pass judgment on your own life by the gauges of others. That simply implies that you are following the ways of others, and that is clearly not right. You need to characterize achievement and thriving for yourself, and it must be something that you resound with, or probably you won't appreciate genuine bliss long haul. Whenever we typify that degree of progress, bliss simply occurs for us. We don't need to consider it much, and it's not something we frequently contemplate any longer. Before that, when you don't have that much achievement, you will more often than not consider it a great deal, and life doesn't feel as prosperous and great as it might actually be. This isn't a dream either. We are in a real sense discussing genuine achievement, genuine progress for us that totally matches what we trust makes an effective life. However, it probably won't be so natural for others to imagine and consider for themselves. We can do it quite effectively, as long as we permit us as spirits to direct us apiece. Alistair, Greek soul, guides us to comprehend how achievement and flourishing affects us, so we can completely encapsulate it. Empowers us to do all that it takes to be completely and totally effective in all ways that matter for us over the long haul. Elidiah, fallen holy messenger, enables us to totally comprehend this stuff, to be prosperous as far as we're concerned. Guides us to be completely prosperous as it connects with being completely effective for us. Whenever you are completely and totally effective, with the thriving to go with it, life gets significantly really intriguing, and not in a not so great kind of way by the same token. Feeling achievement and finding success are two totally various things. However, when you join them and experience them in your day-to-day existence completely, things can really improve. In situations where individuals seem effective yet don't actually have anything to show for it, I think you know what's happening. They have a meaning of accomplishment that doesn't exactly fit them, and they don't actually have the foggiest idea what they truly desire overall. You can see that this is valid from the way that they aren't absolutely content with where they are, and that is not something worth being thankful for by any means. They are in a real sense living in a meaning of progress and success in a manner that doesn't fit them or their lives, and they feel exceptionally off overall therefore. We don't need to be that way, and we can involve the spirits in manners that others don't remotely consider, and that is our benefit here. They can assist us with accomplishing what we're focusing on, and one final soul has a few important abilities here. Ereshkigal, Sumerian soul, causes us to think in and act in a way that completely adjusts us to what we view as evident flourishing and achievement. All parts of our lives adjust such that we can't anticipate or understand. So we are a living encapsulation of complete progress in all ways conceivable. On the off chance that you can envision your life more effective, the spirits can help you. In the remote possibility that you can't envision yourself more effective, the spirits can in any case help you. It isn't so much that we can't find lasting success without them. It's that we can be undeniably more fruitful reasoning in the correct ways and taking the smart actions, so we are maximally effective consistently, and the spirits can direct us into that. Consider the spirits a little benefit in the achievement game. You are propelling yourself in every one of the headings that count, and the spirits guide you to make the smart activities and think in the correct ways, so you can go with the most ideal choices en route, and that is a quite large thing when you delay down and ponder it. You in a real sense enjoy an upper hand over other people who have no clue about working with spirits as are we. And that is something tremendous, particularly with regards to driving yourself to turn out to be better, and everybody around you is stuck reasoning a similar bullpoo, and you can't understand remaining in the past in light of the fact that the spirits have directed you to turn into the best of yourself. It's anything but an inquiry, truly. You need to be the most ideal variant of yourself. And finding actual success and prosperous isn't tied in with finding success in manners that don't impact you. Assuming you follow others' meaning of accomplishment, and it clearly doesn't feel right, that will prompt issues later, and we currently sort of know that. That is the reason we need to characterize that straight away, not leaving any disarray, so that we're bothered with issues later about the thing we're truly pursuing with regards to progress. That is anything but something seemingly insignificant to be befuddled about thriving and achievement, and presently we comprehend how to make it more comprehensible and reasonable in the long haul for us, and the spirits can assist us with all of that.